Perfect. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I sure did. Alright, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe now. Hit that bell notification so you won't miss any new videos that I post. And welcome to the family. Alright guys, I got a couple things on my mind that I wanted to share with y'all. First of all, I was thinking about changing my name. Games Life, I like it, but I don't love it. So I was thinking about changing my name to probably Tony Roney. My grandfather used to call me Tony Roney. Tony Macaroni, Tony Roney. So yeah, that's where that comes from. So I was thinking about doing that. So I had that on my mind. So I'm seriously thinking about doing that. Second thing I'm kind of mad about. I haven't washed my truck in weeks. Everybody knows me. Everybody that knows me knows that I hate a dirty truck. I like my truck to be clean. I like my wheels to be sparkling, shining. I want you to see me coming a mile away. And everybody that watches my videos knows that I hate for my truck to be dirty. So I finally go to the car wash yesterday, detailing my truck, even waxed that motherfucker. Waxing it. Then today, it rains.
He needs some milk.
That work all fucking 3 hours of detailing my car. It rains. Rainy day. Check it out. Raining. Well, it's not raining yet, but it's a rainy, cold. Look at those fucking squirrels. Get out of here. It's a rainy, windy day. So, all my hard work yesterday for nothing. You talking about somebody pissed off. I'm pissed off about that. So, I'm about to eat. That's the only thing that'll make me happy is some good old food. Alright guys, I got me some DIGIORNO pizza here. Check it out. DIGIORNO. Good old pizza. Alright. I don't know about y'all, but I hate those black olive things. These. I hate those. These motherfuckers. So, I'm gonna pick these off because I don't like those. I know a lot of y'all don't either. Some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. Me, I hate them. And I would not eat them. Alright. So, I will be doing this mukbang DIGIORNO pizza for you guys today. Hope you will enjoy the video. A lot of things to discuss today. Well, not a lot, just a couple things. I got these black olives off, guys. That's mostly all of them. Not many, but it's enough. I'll taste that shit. I'm gonna throw this in the oven. Come on in. Throw that in the oven. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Close that up. Set this up to about what? About 375, I think. Yeah, I think it's 400 actually. I believe it's 400. I'm pretty sure it's 400. Alright, we got the pizza in the oven. Waiting for that to get done. And I will be back when my food is ready to eat. Alright guys, I am back. Finally got my pizza done. It looks so good. Got my garlic sauce here from a previous pizza that we ate a while ago. Oh man, I should have made some space on my phone. But 11 minutes should be alright. Alright guys, I made my DIGIORNO pizza. This is how it looks. Looks so good. Oh my god, look at that pizza. Got my knife. Is that on my nose? Oh, that's on the screen. Oh, thought I was tripping, guys. Alright. Let's get to it. I'm hungry. Some of that. Yeah. I should cut it or break it off. Alright. This is gonna be good. Woo, that's hot. Woo, woo. Woo. That's hot. That is hot. I should have waited for it to cool down a little bit. But bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Look at that cheese. You know, see that? This is hanging off. Woo! Alright, guys. This is the coronavirus. I am scared as hell. Like, when I go out to get groceries or something like that, it's always on my mind. Who got the corona? I'm looking at people, see who's sneezing, seeing who coughing. It's a scary thing. It's very scary. What you guys think about this coronavirus? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you do to prepare yourself for this, because you know they have no more hand sanitizer. So I went to Giant, I went to Rite Aid, Walgreens, gas stations. No more hand sanitizer whatsoever. People buying up all the hand sanitizer, all the soap. It's crazy, bro, and it's scary. It's so scary. I'm not so scared for me, but for my kids. You know what I mean? Because they in middle school, and it's, you know, I myself, I can care less if I get it, but my kids, you know, my wife, my fiance, if they, it's not good, man. It's not good at all. You know, back in the day, we ain't had this problem. Back in the day, like, let's see, like in the 70s, 80s, even way back in the early days, man, they didn't have no viruses like no damn coronavirus and shit like that, man. The world today has so many viruses and everything wrong. It's just wrong. Damn coronavirus. What is this stuff? And you got people still taking cruise ships. Still taking cruise ships to out of the country, to Indonesia, China. Well, not China anymore, China. But you really got people still taking cruise ships. Like, why? Stay your black ass home. Imagine being on a cruise ship and they got your ass quarantined on that damn cruise ship for weeks. I would be pissed off. It's just scary, guys. So just be careful out there. Sanitize your hands, wash your hands. Just be careful, okay? This is so good. If you haven't had DIGIORNO pizza, you don't know what you're missing out on. It's really good. They got some other good pizza out there. Red Baron is really good pizza. So I didn't get all the black olives. Missed a couple. Yeah, good. Rainy, cloudy day today. It's supposed to be sunny all week. That's what the weatherman said. It said it's gonna be sunny all week. But it's supposed to rain Thursday, not Tuesday. I was happy as all hell. I said, yeah, just washed my truck up, shined it up. I'm gonna be right for a couple of days. Right? Wrong. I'm getting there. You got cheese. Yeah. I know that look good, bro. Black peppers. Yeah, let's see. Get out of here. They're really good. Thanks for supporting my channel, guys. You know who you is. I think I said this in my last video. I appreciate. God damn it, I appreciate. Every time I say that, I messed up. I don't know what it is about the word appreciate, but every time I'm just talking to you guys, and I want to say appreciate without thinking about it, I mess it up all the time. See, I appreciate you guys. I'm just gonna stop saying appreciate, period. I'm sick of messing that up all the time. You know, I just started YouTube a couple of months ago. I'm at 600 subscribers. You know, I'm doing what I like. I like eating. Anybody that knows me or known me, that grew up with me or know me personally, knows that I like to eat. I like to eat. That's what I like to do. It's not something new
It's just, oh, excuse me. I like to eat. I grub down. That's what I do. I get my grub on. And I thought, why not just share with the people that like food? Share with them. Share my joy of food with you. Voila, here I am. I will be doing more videos besides eating. Wait a minute. Some of my other videos, you seen me do with my daughter, Tasia. Oh man, no! My damn battery, well not my battery, but the memory about to run out because I, like a dumbass, I forgot to make room on my phone. So this is about to turn off in about 10 minutes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, peace.
Perfect.